This past Essence Festival weekend, I had the wonderful opportunity to not only attend SheaMoisture's pop-up shop, but I was also one of the 3 natural hair influencers alongside Brittany and Rocio to give live hair demos. I had such an amazing time and met so many amazing people, and I wanted to share that moment with you.
And I love the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line because it's specifically for damaged hair or just challenged hair. Whenever you comb your hair sometimes, it can get dry, the curls can get limp, and it's just hard to keep that moisture in. This is a perfect line for that. So chemically treated hair, if you blow dry your hair a lot, apply heat to it, this is a great product line for that.
Because I shared with you my love for the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore line for the demo, I wanted to revisit that same collection with you today to achieve this fun summer hairstyle. The first step is to shampoo with SheaMoisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo, which is a sulfate-free, clarifying shampoo that removes buildup while infusing moisture into the hair. It's great for overworked, chemically processed, and color-treated hair because the Jamaican Black Castor Oil is going to repair any damage and promotes healthy hair growth. Next, I'm using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner, which is going to strengthen and detangle my hair while restoring any lost moisture. The shea butter is what nourishes the hair and reduces dryness and breakage, while the peppermint is going to invigorate my scalp. As you can see, the conditioner is super slippery and conditioning to the hair, and detangling is a breeze. Now I'm going to clip my hair up and let that sit for about 5 minutes or so. After rinsing, my hair is clean and moisturized, and now I'm going to section my hair into 4 workable sections and apply SheaMoisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Blow Dry Cream, which is going to speed up the drying time and protect my hair from any damage. Now, with a comb attachment on my blow dryer, which is definitely optional, I'm going to start blow drying my hair from the ends to the roots. I'm not trying to straighten my hair too much, I'm just trying to get it to stretch out a little bit. Next, I'm going to take an ear-to-ear section, then I'm going to create a middle rectangle parting right down the center. Next, I'm going to apply the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion to soften my hair and to also add some moisture to it to prep for styling. Now I'm just going to take that section and braid it straight back. Now taking SheaMoisture's Strengthen and Restore Max Hold Gel, which is an alcohol-free firm hold gel, I'm going to be applying that to my hair to keep the sections neat and frizz-free. Right next to the center braid, I'm taking a larger rectangular sections where I can fit 2 braids into it, and then I'm splitting it right down the middle, and then I'm going to split it across in the opposite direction. Now you should have 4 square sections. Then I'm going to clip each section opposite of each other. Next, I'm going to be applying the styling lotion, then begin braiding back and then across into the opposite square section. I sure hope I'm explaining this well enough for you to understand. Next, I'm going to secure the hair at the base with a rubber band, and then do the exact same thing to the other 2 sections, crossing over the previous braid. Now I'm going to take 2 vertical sections on the side of my head, and next I'm going to apply some gel for neatness and some hold. Then I'm going to get a brush and brush those baby hairs down. Y'all already know how I do. Then I'm going to braid each braid straight down. Then I'm just going to repeat those same steps on the other half of my head. And this is what it's looking like so far. Are you loving it? Feeling it? Comment down below. Give me some hearts. Show me some love. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to start in the back of my head and I'm going to apply some Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Lock and Braid Butter, which is a thick buttery cream that's going to give my hair some intense moisture and it's going to stretch my hair. And then I'm going to start braiding, and reapplying product as needed because especially my ends, they're usually the driest part. So I reapply the product there and really concentrate getting that moisture on my ends. And when I'm done, this is what we've got. All right, a head full of braids. Now it's time to go to bed. In the morning when it's time to take the braids down, I'm going to use SheaMoisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Hair Serum to reduce any friction that's going to cause frizz to the hair. This serum is so great on the scalp as well because it promotes healthy hair growth and also helps with any dryness of the scalp or dandruff. And I'm just going to separate each braid for fullness until I'm satisfied. I just want some volume and, you know, a little bit of texture. So this is how it's looking so far. I'm absolutely loving it. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some beads onto the ends of the braids that are hanging on the sides, being sure to secure the last bead with a rubber band. Lastly, I'm going to gather some hair at the top into a high ponytail, and then just for some pizzazz, I'm going to go ahead and wrap some gold string around the base of that ponytail. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out your local Walmart and Walgreens for SheaMoisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore collection. You can also find links to the products used in the video down below. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and also become a part of the family and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.